Hey friends, a lot of users have said that the Windows Update Troubleshooter is not working on their system. Now let me explain this. If you encounter issues with Windows updates, the Windows Update Troubleshooter is an excellent tool to resolve that. But if you encounter issues with the Windows Update Troubleshooter itself, then what can you do about it? Here's the thing, we have a script for you to reset Windows Update components. Simply copy this script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Paste it here and hit enter. This will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the contents of the software distribution and cat-root 2 folders. It will re-register the DLLs. It will reset WinSock and it will restart the services. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.